how to find photos, likes and comments, notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find photos, likes and comments, notifications settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile in the bottom corner. Click on it and then just click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click this one, notifications, and here you will find it, post stories and comments. Click on it, and here you will find it as you see, likes and comments on photos of you, and here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.